Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss fill in the blanks of class 6 civics chapter 6 urban administration. Viewers, I hope you are enjoying our daily quizzes published in community tab. If not, subscribe the channel and enjoy daily quizzes. Let's start. First question is dash is responsible for ensuring that diseases do not break out in the city. Answer is municipal corporation. Next question is the city is divided into several. Answer is wards. Next question is in a municipal corporation, the elected members are called dash. Answer is councillors. Next question is while the councillors make decisions, the administrative staff led by the commissioner dash these. Answer is implement. Clear? Next question is as dash people pay to the government for the services that the government provides. Answer is taxes. People pay taxes for the services that government provide. It is all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and share the video with your friends and subscribe the channel.